In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Retool app. Duplicating a Retool app is a quick way to create a safe copy for experiments, spin up a new version for a different customer or environment, or preserve a working snapshot before making big changes. You'll keep your original intact while having a fresh place to iterate. First, head to retool.com and sign into your account. If your organization uses multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where the app lives. You can switch workspaces from the top navigation bar. Once you're in, open the apps or home area where your projects are listed. If you have a long list, use the search bar to find the exact app you want to copy. This helps prevent copying the wrong one, especially if your team uses similar names. Next, find the app you want to duplicate and look for the three dots menu on its card or row. It's sometimes labeled as More or appears when you hover over the app. Before you open that menu, double-check the app name and any environment tags your team uses so you're certain it's the correct source. This is particularly important in teams that separate production and development apps or maintain client-specific versions. Now click Duplicate from that three dots menu. Retool will create a copy of the app almost instantly. In many setups, the duplicate will appear with a name like Copy Of, followed by the original title. Depending on your plan and permissions, you may see a quick dialog to confirm details such as the destination, workspace, or the new name. The duplicate includes your app's layout, components, pages, modules, state, and queries. It's designed to mirror the original so you can continue building without rebuilding. A few helpful notes as the copy appears. Resources and credentials are managed at the organization level in Retool, so your duplicated app typically points to the same data resources as the original. Be mindful when testing changes that could write data. Some organizations use separate resources per environment to avoid mixing test and production data. If you don't see the duplicate option, you may not have sufficient permissions for that app. In that case, a workspace admin can adjust access. That's all there is to it. You went to retool.com, selected your app, and opened the three dots menu and clicked Duplicate. You now have a clean copy you can use to prototype, run A/B variations, or prepare a new release without risking the original. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Retool.